2 big-ass beers in. I'm on my way to steal cough syrup from the nearest Walgreens. I'm trying to get arrested for felony retail theft, but it seems to be ridiculously fucking hard because no one will catch me. So I guess I'll just keep getting high on cough syrup. It's like the 4th fucking time. We're only 10 days into the month. I won't say I have a problem because I don't fucking care. I'd rather be arrested for life than with my fucking mother. Problem is I'm a pacifist, so you can't just stab the shit out of her. God damn.